First tonight at 10, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention changing its mask guidance today, now suggesting that even vaccinated people should wear a mask indoors in certain situations.
Fox 17's Marisa Oberly live in the newsroom tonight after speaking with an infectious disease expert on how this could impact us here in West Michigan. Marisa?
Ryan and Janice, the Delta variant is the reason for this decision, with the CDC saying people who live in places with substantial and high community spread need to wear a face covering. Four local counties currently fall under that classification. New recommendations from the Centers for Disease Control and Protection on Tuesday, urging people in parts of the U.S. where the coronavirus is surging to mask up indoors, regardless of vaccination status. Also adding schools should do so too this fall.
In areas with substantial and high transmission, CDC recommends fully vaccinated people wear masks in public indoor settings.
The reversal driven by the Delta variant. Health officials explaining while those unvaccinated make up the majority of infections, new information shows the level of virus in infected people with the shot is indistinguishable from those without it, unlike previous strains.
Delta variant is showing every day its willingness to outsmart us and to be an opportunist in areas where we have not shown a fortified response against it.
According to the CDC's community transition map, most of West Michigan falls into its low or moderate levels. Only Van Buren, Cass, Mason, and Branch counties subject to the guidance.
I think is their attempt to be a little bit more sustainable and really look at things at a local level in terms of what's happening in the community and then applying that risk to what the recommendation is.
Local doctors believe it's the right approach, but caution, the Delta variant is just making its way through the area. Contact tracers found it within the past few weeks, so circumstances may change.
83% of all infections with COVID right now across the country are the Delta variant. And I think it's really, really important. The CDC, when they made their original recommendations to allow, to recommend people take their masks off, the Delta variant was at 1% in the United States.
And the best way to avoid it, they say, is to get the shot, pushing us closer to herd immunity.
It should be an increased motivation to get vaccination because we know that the protection is still pretty good. Breakthrough cases are happening higher than with other variants, but the protection is still great and you're not going to get that sick. So my motivation is to get as many people vaccinated as possible.
Now, Governor Whitmer at an event in Detroit this afternoon says she does not anticipate issuing another pandemic order in the near future like a mask mandate. However, she wore one while there this afternoon. Whitmer also encouraged people to get vaccinated, as did the state's Department of Health and Human Services when contacted by Fox 17 to read their full statement on that development. You can visit our website at fox17online.com. Reporting in the newsroom, Marisa Oberly, Fox 17 News.